Okay, so here we are going to talk about different type of operators in JavaScript. The first type of operator which we're going to talk about is called arithmetic operator. The arithmetic operator has already been discussed in the numbers part. So you can check the numbers tutorials if you want to check about the arithmetic operator. Then comes the assignment operator, and assignment operator will be explained in the next tutorial. Then we have a part called control flow. In control flow we will explain about comparison operator and logical operator, and through if else these conditions you will learn how we can use both comparison and logical for different type of conditions. So as of now that's very much it, and I believe you guys, after following my tutorials, you guys would be able to grasp the concepts very easily. So that's very much it. Thank you.